Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of you are having a lovely day. I also want to apologize for the lighting in here. The sun has gone down and I had gone to church earlier and I ended up driving back to the house. It's a different city, so I definitely got really tired. I've been up really early, and so now I've gotten the opportunity to open up these wonderful goodies. This first one comes from Felicia, so hi Fel, over at FPHandmade, which comes to me as a surprise because not too long ago she also had surprised me with some rack mail, and here she is once again. I have no idea what it's about, but we'll get to it in just a little bit. I will also be attaching Billie's video to the end of this as well because I've got 3 separate happy mails, so 1 to Billie, and then this one comes from Raina over at Lylo Crafts. So some wonderful talented friends here that have maybe surprised me with some rack mail or some thank you letters for having joined in on their challenges. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. So let's go ahead and open up Fel's because I'll just put them as I receive them. So I'll put Fel's, Billie's, and then Raina's. Let me see. Okay, I have flipped it over to hide the addresses. Fel is a super talented card maker. She makes some beautiful cards, and anytime I ever hear her voice too, she's so peppy and sounds happy, and she's just so sweet. So she sent me this card that says BB, and I love anything that's like I don't know, I love cards like this. Like, oh, look at this little stamp, how cute, and it's got a butterfly. She knows me so well. Go ahead and open this up and have a read. Oh, she sent me one of her cards, you guys. This is what I'm talking about. She's such a wonderful, super talented card maker. Oh, and there's her maker stamp. Thank you so much, Fel. I'm gonna go ahead and read this. This is so cute. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Oh, this means so much. She sent me happy birthday. She says, enjoy your special day, Felicia. Thank you. Oh my God, that is so sweet. I'm sorry. Oh, she caught me off guard. Thank you so much. And then she, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna try to compose myself. It just means so much to me. You're so sweet. And she sent me some cute little goodies. They look like little cut aparts. That is so sweet. Oh my God. Look at this, you guys. And don't mind these. I went to go pet a little alley cat while it was eating, and I think I startled it and it bit me. But she sent me some cute little cut aparts. This is so sweet. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Look how cute these are. Oh, this makes my week, my month. Yeah, I actually had to go get a tetanus shot. I got really freaked out by the little kitten, and I just didn't want something bad to happen. But I'm glad it happened to me and it didn't happen to any of my kiddos, because if they had gone up to pet the cat and that would have happened to them, I would never forgive myself. So I'm glad it happened to me. I'm not saying that it's a good thing, but better me than one of my babies, you know. So yeah. Look at this, how cute. You are so sweet, Fel. Thank you so much. It means so much to me. These are so pretty, and I will definitely use all of these. How cute. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I know I already said thank you, but it means so much. Oh, those are so cute. Thank you. Alright, Fel, I appreciate it so very much, and I love my card. Thank you. I'm sorry. Okay. Well, that was definitely a surprise, and I absolutely love it. Let's go ahead and open Raina's card. She recently had her little challenge, and I participated, so I have a feeling that this is a little thank you card, and I want to tell her thank you for having let me be part of that. I had a lot of fun making a cute little ATC for her and some handmade embellishments. And she says, let's see, oh, this is so cute. Okay, so she's inked around the edges with some distress ink, some pink ones. And she's also made me a, it looks like a little handmade card as well that says thank you. And look how she's embellished it here in the front with some cute little ephemeras. I think that's perfect, and I love how she did that. That's very pretty. Thank you, Raina. Oh, it was, I don't know if it came undone or if it accidentally attached itself. I think she meant to, I don't know. But she put some more little goodies in here. She says, let me see. She says, "Hi, BB. Thank you so much for entering my challenge and helping me celebrate my birthday." So yes, it was her birthday and her YouTube anniversary. "I love your ATC and journaling cards. The stitching and layering are so gorgeous. Thank you for the extra goodies too. I really enjoy you and your channel." Oh, thank you. I enjoy yours, Raina. I think says, "I love and really enjoy your channel. Yes, love, Raina. Lylo Crafts." That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Raina. And she also made this little handmade envelope, which I love. Anything mini. I think that is so adorable. And she put some more goodies in here for me. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and have a look. And I love florals, and she's even shared some butterflies with me. This is so cute. Thank you, Raina. Oh, there goes one. Love these little cutouts. How pretty are those? Oh, I love this yellow rose. That's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you, Raina. You are so sweet. And I will be attaching Raina's, Billie's video. My apologies, sorry. I will be attaching Billie's video right here. One more thing. I'm sorry, I forgot. This also fell out. She says, "Seek peace and pursue it." It is a little prayer card, and I love the border with the flowers here. This is perfect. This will absolutely be going into my Bible. Okay, now I will be attaching Billie's video. Alright, so in today's video, I will be unboxing this sweet little happy mail that comes from my wonderful friend Billie over at Crafting Cake with Billie. If y'all are not already familiar with Billie's channel, I'm sure that y'all would love her channel. She's got lots of little DIY goodies that she will show you absolutely how to make. And if you like anything shabby chic, she is the gal for you. And here she has sent me some wonderful happy mail in regards to saying thank you for having joined in on her sweets challenge. And here is just a little thank you card from her, I'm sure. So let's go ahead and open this up. So thank you so much, Billie, for having taken the time to send me this. This is so very sweet. She says today's prayer is a little prayer card. How cute. It says, "Be kind and compassionate to one another." Ephesians 4:32. I love this. I love anything floral, anything girly. This is so pretty. So very bright. That will definitely be going in my Bible. She says, "I'm almost at 1,000. Guys, her channel is growing so amazingly. I'm telling you, she's so talented. You'll absolutely love her. She says, "Hi, BB. Hope you are doing well, friend. I wanted to thank you so much for participating in my 800 subscribers Sweets Challenge. You are super gifted." You're super gifted. What a sweetheart. What a doll. "Thanks for sharing your amazing talent with me. Hugs to you, Billie, Crafting Cake with Billie." And she took any ornaments that we made and she placed them on her tree, and it's so cute, you guys. I'll be sure to be linking that down below. She has that displayed on her inside her she shed. So cute. Definitely go check it out. So you guys, I want to thank y'all for having come along for this wonderful Happy Mail unboxing. I will catch you guys on the next one. Y'all take care. Bye.